Look at how big that bird is. He's eating the crow's babies. I can't tell what it is from here. Either a vulture or an eagle. Poor my baby crows. This makes me sad, but this is part of life. Look how big that bird is. Let's see if I can make it bigger. It's as big as I can make it. That's a big bird. I think that's probably an eagle. Oh, my poor crows. Oh, my crackhead dogs. Hey, crackheads. What are you doing? That's too big to see them. Oh, they got me all tied up. Man. That is a big bird. I'm gonna make it small. Like, that's easily a 60, 70 foot tree. And you can tell by the size of the crows. That is a big bird. Oh. I can't tell if he's a vulture or an eagle. When he lifts his head up, he kind of looks like a vulture, but I don't think, I'm sure if something gets hungry enough but vultures are scavengers. But I guess they'll eat eggs too, or baby birds. Oh, trying to pull me down onto the floor. I bet that bird spread his wings. His wings are probably 8 feet across. Oh, maybe a condor. A condor or an eagle. These dogs. You guys, can you sit down for 1 second, please? They're hitting him. He's just like, whatever. Dude, they got me tied up. Oh, God, you guys. Can you guys stop for 1 second, please? They're not gonna stop. Hey, Thor. You too, dude. He takes his pull harness off. You know what happens when your pull harness comes off? Mama puts it back on because you won't quit pulling. She got this cool sweater. And Thor now has one too. Hey, Thor. Oh, you took yours off too, huh? Mom's gonna fix that. He's got a pull thing too because Odin taught him to pull. And I guess he also taught him how to take it off. But we're just gonna put it right back on.